The S808 PRO 2 drone is a high-performance camera drone designed for professional aerial photography, FPV flying, and advanced drone enthusiasts. Equipped with a 5G Wi-Fi FPV system, GPS, and an 8K dual camera, the S808 PRO 2 offers exceptional image quality, smooth flight stability, and advanced features like gesture control, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and multi-point flight planning. This drone is built for smooth performance and reliable safety. The 3-axis mechanically stabilized gimbal, combined with electronic image stabilization, ensures your photos and videos are always crisp and clear, even when flying at high speeds. With a 25-minute flight time, 1,000-meter remote control distance, and GPS return to home, the S808 PRO 2 is designed for long-lasting adventures. Key features of the S808 PRO 2 drone: 8K dual camera, capture stunning 8K video, 4096 by 2160, and high-resolution images with dual cameras. 3-axis mechanically stabilized gimbal, get stable, shake-free footage with electronic stabilization and anti-shake technology. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, the laser-guided, visual obstacle avoidance system keeps the drone safe and avoids collisions. GPS return to home, one-click automatic return when the drone is low on battery or loses signal. Gesture control, easily take photos or videos with gesture recognition, within 1 to 3 m of the drone. Multi-point flight planning, autonomous flight along a preset route while focusing on shooting. Fixed point surround, create dynamic shots with fixed point surround control. Long battery life, the 7.6V smart lithium battery allows up to 25 minutes of flight time. 5G Wi-Fi FPV, enjoy real-time HD video streaming with 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Remote-controlled APP control, control the drone via the remote control or app for seamless flying. Specifications: camera, 8K HD video, 4K HD video recording. Battery, 7.6V plug-in smart lithium battery, 25 minutes of flight time. Charging time, 100 minutes. Flight range, 1,000 meters. Motor, brushless motor. Wind resistance, level 5. Size, 120 grams, foldable for portability. Control, for channel remote control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Camera features adjustable HD camera with wide-angle lens. Included in the box: S808 PRO 2 drone. Remote control. Battery. For spare propellers. USB charging cable. Screwdriver. User manual. Storage bag. The S808 PRO 2 drone is perfect for those looking for advanced drone features like 8K video, obstacle avoidance, and GPS control. Whether you're a photographer, traveler, or tech enthusiast, this drone is a perfect choice for capturing high-quality footage and exploring new horizons. Perfect for aerial photographers seeking 8K quality, drone enthusiasts looking for advanced control features, tech lovers seeking a compact and high-performance drone. Fly high and capture breathtaking visuals with the S808 PRO 2 drone. Please like, share, and comment to tell us how you'd use the S808 PRO 2 drone. Don't forget to subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.